Ebert. Do you have creepy thumbs? Who is that? You gonna show us all your busyness? You gonna show us your weird feet? Look, I've got thumbs. I've got thumbs, everyone. So does my brother Ebert. Or Siskel, I mean. Hi. Are you gonna be cute? There's the cute boy. Hi. Well, thank you. Oh. Where are you going, little man? You are a doll. You are a doll. Hi. Be careful. Be careful, big feet boy. Big foot boy.